Good morning, sir. Actually, sir, I am also a non-directional trader, like option selling. So my question is regarding sir psychology. So actually, sir, when I started like in September, like my September was very good. Like I made like 3.5% on my total capital, which is 25 lakhs. But sir, what happened, sir? In like I made like 70 to 75,000 rupees in entire month, and I had like 90% accuracy. Like my I have only like three red days in the whole month, and it was also small. But what happened, sir, day before yesterday on like mid cap expiry? I don't know, sir, what happened to my mind, but I went into a self sabotage mode, sir. Like I traded aggressively 4,000 quantity. Like I was in a state of euphoria, and I traded like 4,000 quantity in mid cap Nifty, and that option spiked from 15 to 25 in 15 to 35 in no so in like 2 to 3 minutes, and I lost like whole month's gain. And sir, so what should I do, sir, to like manage my euphoria and self sabotaging beliefs? I'm not understanding, sir. It's very difficult for me, sir. Can you please?
Sure, sure. So, okay, see, it's not about you, but in general, right? If you trade a high probability system, you are used to consistently making money. Okay, let us say you're trading a 80% probability system, you'll make money 4 times out of 5, right? Now, in the times when you lose money, it is imperative that you start. That's exactly the point of risk management, that you cannot do what you're doing. And in this market, it's market is not for everyone. Okay, market, if you, there's no tum ye kar lo isse ye ho jayega, psychology will get managed. If you're not someone who can cut your losses, then you will not survive in the market. Today you're doing with 25 lakhs, but you think about it, if you do it, like you take this up very seriously, and tomorrow you have 2.5 crore or 5 crore or 10 crore, like what, I mean, whatever. If you behave like that, what is going to happen? See, the whenever you have smaller capital, the idea with smaller capital is you have to build the right habits, and how you build it is up to you. Because but you have to accept one thing. One way is to accept one thing, that if I don't, then I'm anyway screwed, I'm wasting my time, I'm doing time pass. And you have, see, I believe in a concept of carrot and stick. I do self punishment. Like whenever I do something bad, even if it makes money, I make myself feel like shit. I tell myself, bro, you're a gambler. Like, is this how you're supposed to behave? Is this responsible of you? Okay, tomorrow you'll do this with like 10x this thing, then what will happen? So you have to learn how to manipulate yourself. Like it might be sounding weird to some people, but your mind, no, sometimes it has to be trained like a dog. It's like you do something good, you, even if you lose money, you have to tell yourself that yes, I cut where I did. After that, that option became zero, or whatever. You need to tell yourself, no, I did the correct thing. Okay, so RMS becomes, especially for people who are too used to trading high probability setups where most of the time they make money. When they're losing, they're somehow unwilling to give up. They're like, somehow I'll get it back. And that's generally why people go bust also, because what they'll do, like abhi 15 से 25 गया, मैं double बेच दूंगा, ठीक है? So I was trading one lot for 1.5 lakh. Now I'm trading one lot for 75,000. मैं double कर दूंगा, double कर, थोड़ा भी आ जाएगा. And that's exactly how people, sometimes you'll see there are people, they'll be like, okay, I consistently make money, I never lose money, and one day they've lost one month worth. That is not, you can't survive like that. Like if one single day of yours can take away like, let's say, a month's effort, then something is horribly wrong. You have to introspect, right? And there are no shortcuts here. If you can't force it, see, the market is a very cutthroat place. There's no good ending for anyone. Very few people will do well, and in that, if you're indisciplined, then it's guarantee you will not do well. Even if see, here's the thing, right? It doesn't matter if someday it'll rain. That time everyone's going to get wet. And one more thing, right? People, I also make this excuse. By the way, don't take this against you. I'm talking about myself also. When I talk about a lot of this, I'm also talking about myself. People will make excuses that, oh, today I made a mistake and market punished me and all, they'll say, right? Actually, mistake has been happening every day. Okay, mistakes some people make all the time. Most of the time, market will let you get away with it, but one day it will not let you get away with it. So when people say, this day I made a mistake, we have to introspect and say, have I made the same mistake many times? And then taken it for granted that it will always forgive me. So that also is something to look at. Being very honest with yourself is important. And also one more thing, like though many people will take it bad way, this is not an industry for everyone. Especially this high intensity daily expiry trading is not for everyone. If you see that it's not working for you either monetarily or psychologically, you should really reconsider if it's worth exploring. But yeah, there's no shortcut, bro. Don't take this as though I'm telling you and giving you some lecture. In a lot of what I say, I'm always talking to about myself also being part of the same kitty.
और सर मतलब हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ सर, मैं मतलब बहुत बुरा फील होता है सर, लाइक बहुत लाइक नॉन, कभी कभी डायरेक्शनल और नॉन डायरेक्शनल दोनों प्ले करता हूँ, तो मतलब दिन भर बैठ के मतलब 9 से 3 तक मेहनत करो पूरा महीना, और अचानक एक दिन ऐसे चला जाता है ना सर, तो मतलब बहुत अंदर से टूट जाता है सर।
तो नहीं जाना चाहिए भाई. So you have to take it. See, everyone makes mistakes, and we have to learn from those mistakes. It is not about it's about what you do. Agli bar ki you don't allow such situations to happen. It's not possible that in a month you make 3.5%, in one day you take 3.5%. There have to be some hard rules that you follow. Like for example, a rule that you can make for yourself is, if I lose 1.5% in a day, no matter what, let hell break loose. Best opportunities will only. By the way, अपॉर्चुनिटीज बेस्ट तभी दिखेंगे जब हमें ऑलरेडी बड़ा नुकसान हो रहा हो, ठीक है. सो इंश्योर दैट यू आर लाइक, no matter what, you see, for trader, confidence is very important. If you lose confidence and if you lose self-respect, you can't be a trader. So do things like say that, okay, if I go beyond this much loss in a day, then I will have no respect for myself. I have to cut. You have to figure out a way to do it. And if you can't figure it out, then nothing good will come of it. But yeah, you have to do it or you will not survive. But yeah, there's not too much rocket science in this.